Hi, this is a bit unusual because rather than doing something on my bikes, I'm actually doing something on my wife's new car. So we recently bought her a second-hand Mini, first generation, so that's the R50. And as part of when I buy a new vehicle, I like to go through, do the service, do the upkeep, fix the things that need fixing. Mainly it's maintenance items. So today, I'm just doing a quick one on the cabin filter. Now, the cabin filter on a Mini is one of those things that doesn't get replaced that often. And for the sake of a tenner, it's a quick one to fix, keeps the vents clean, and is often quite mucky. Now, in the R50, it's a toolless job. There is just a clip underneath the passenger footwell, which you can unclip, takes the body off, slide out the filter, put the new filter in, clip it back up. So it should be quite a painless job. What I'll do is I'll bring you down so you can see how it comes out. What we will need to do is probably vacuum afterwards, because I imagine it's going to be filthy. We'll start from there. Right, let's take it down. So this is the tray that needs to come off. It's held by these clips, two on each side. This one's broken on mine, but I've loosened it. And as you can see when it comes out, absolutely filthy, and the filter is there. So what I'm going to do first is clean out this, pull the filter out, and then we should be good. So let's give that a quick clean. Okay, as you can see, that's much cleaner. So now let's see what state. Now let's see what state this comes out as. So it seems to pull right across. It's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be, and absolutely disgusting. And that's the in. So, good thing we're doing that. Let's get the new one out and compare the two. So this is the new one from Bosch. Looks to be the right size and length. Just got to get it in there. So I think this might actually be a two-handed job. So it seems to slot and push all the way up. Cover was this way around and slotted in like that, and then cover goes this way around, slots in, and then should just clip like so. Nice easy process. You can see on the floor here what fell out, so that's all going to need vacuuming up. Alright, so all in all, that was 5 minutes worth of work, and then more of that was me fiddling around the camera trying so you can see it. It's actually a lot easier in person because you can get right underneath there. There's a lot of space in this Mini in the passenger footwell to get there. Trying to get a camera in there as well and hold the camera so you can see is a bit difficult. But as you can see, 5 minute job, easy to do. And for the sake of £10, and you sort of stay at the other one, it's worth doing. All right, hopefully next time we'll be back on the bikes, but I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.